Alright, guess who's back in Stockholm? Yes, Chris is back in Stockholm and the Sweden beach adventures continue from the beautiful Swedish nature, but quite more chillier compared to the Mediterranean island of Crete. Yes, today is 28th of April, beautiful Sunday, and the good weather is on its way back, as it was quite bad weather and some snow during the week while I was in Crete on my vacation in Hania. So I really brought back the sun and the warmth to Sweden. And yeah, yesterday I came home very late after 8 p.m. so I couldn't manage to do one beach adventure in the evening. But yeah, that's why I'm continuing today. And I started off early because I saw some sun in the forecast. That will be clouds throughout the rest of the day, and sun will make a return in the evening again. I came here with this beach that's called Drevvikens Naturist Beach that I already showed you this year already once, as I really love this jetty that's floating on the water, and I made some really good shorts for Eurovision on this one. So it's located 11 kilometers from my home, and it took me less than half an hour to reach here with my Scott gravel bike, this one. Yes, it's finally back to basics, cycling and beach adventures in Stockholm, the capital of Sweden. And yeah, almost the end of April. I wanted actually today to go to the sea, but then I remembered that it's gonna be blowing like crazy, because right now it is 8 degrees Celsius, but when it's blowing it feels a bit chillier than that. And I'm not really sure what is the temperature of the sea yet, but I would definitely need to go there soon, probably next week, if it's gonna be around 18 degrees as it says in the forecast. So yeah, if you see that I have a bit more of a tan right now from Crete, and also my hair got a bit blonder from all the sun. But I really had a blast in Crete, and there are already 8 episodes posted on my channel, I think, and there will be a lot more, around 30 beach adventures I made there during the course of my 8 days, and I visited some very extraordinary beaches, so you should definitely check them out, how they look, if you're planning to go to that Mediterranean island, which is the biggest island in Greece and the 5th largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. Enough about Crete, let's focus on here and now and where I am. So this is called Drevvikens Nudist Beach, but there is nobody here today, and all the times I have been here I have been all alone, so I'm not really sure if it's an official nudist beach, but that's at least how it's marked on Google Maps. And yeah, let's then check out also the jetty before we get into the water. But I already measured the temperature of the water and it was 2 degrees, but I'm gonna show you that just for you to make sure that I'm not lying to you, that it's 2 degrees. So this is the floating jetty, and now let's see. So here it says that it's 6 degrees right now in the air. Based on Google it is 8, so we're gonna check out now if it is 2 degrees or not, so that you will believe me. Yes, it's going down as my hand is freezing right now. Let's see, a few more seconds while you enjoy this wonderful view. Yes, it is right above 2 degrees Celsius. We're gonna round up to 2 degrees. So very cold, very cold, very cold. It's gonna be very cold to take a swim here, but it is what it is. I really need to take a swim. Actually, I don't really need, but I really want to continue my beach adventures. You see, it is 2 degrees Celsius. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay, so let's not make this a very long episode, even though it's gonna be long because it will take me some time to get into the water over here because it's freezing. But a good thing that it's 8 degrees Celsius. So yesterday in the sea where I was swimming it was 18 degrees. So now I'm changing that sea with this lake of 2 degrees. But this nature I couldn't find in Crete. So I really love the Swedish nature. It's so wonderful. And yeah. Alright, now let's embark to the quick dip in this freezing lake on this 28th of April in Stockholm, Sweden. And yes, this is located in the Flaten Nature Reserve, and Flaten Lake is just around the corner over there, very close. But this is Lake Drevviken. And I expected it to be a bit warmer, but then again it was cold last week, this whole week, so yeah, I don't know what was I expecting, to be fair. Okay, let's be quick in this, as it's gonna be harder if I stay longer in the water. Okay, let's go! Woo! Freezing, but bearable. I just can't believe I'm back in this beautiful Swedish nature and to enjoy this cold bath before the lakes get pretty warm soon in May and June. But yeah, okay, that's a wrap from Drevvikens Naturistbad on this Sunday beach adventure on this 28th of April in Stockholm, Sweden. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Crete!